856. Write each radian measures, or write each radian measure in degrees. All right, so we've got 2 pi. Well, 2 pi, hopefully everybody knows this is going to be 360. That's a full circle. B is pi over 6. Well, remember radians equals the arc length divided by the radius. Okay, so let me write that out, radius. Okay, so we know the radian is pi over 6, and we know the arc length is going to be x over 360 pi r squared divided by r. And so, oh, not arc length. Look at what I just did. This is a big mistake. I put the area formula in here. I should have not the area formula, but I should have circumference, 2 pi r. Okay, so then we see the r is going to cancel. We see that 2 goes into 360, 180. So I'm going to get pi over 6 equals x over 180. And then I have pi here. So then I'm solving for x, so I need to get x by itself. So I'm going to multiply by 180 over pi. If I multiply that on this side, I'm going to multiply this side by 180 pi. And then the pi's cancel. And then this over here cancels. And then 6 goes into 180 30 times. So x is 30 degrees. Alright, looking at pi over 3, again, we know that the radians equals 2 pi r. Actually, I should do this. It's going to be x over 360 2 pi r divided by r. The r's cancel, and so we're going to get radian equals x times pi over 180. We know that the radian measure is pi over 3. So this is x. We can cross multiply. There's a few different ways to do this, but we'll cross multiply is another way to do this. 180 pi equals 3 pi times x, and then you divide by 3 pi, and then we get x. So these cancel, the pi's cancel, 3 goes into 180 60 times. And last but not least, just to save some time, we know that the radian is going to reduce to, this right here, so it's going to be x pi divided by 180. We know the radian is pi over 4 equals pi x over 180. Cross multiply, we get 180 pi equals 4 pi x. Divide by 4 pi, divide by 4 pi. So this cancels, and we get x, the angle measurement. Pi's cancel. 4 goes into 18 4 times. And so that leaves 20, so 45 degrees. Now, I did the work for all of these. You could even start memorizing them.